In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro in Google Meet. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to Miro.com and make sure to create an account. You can do so by entering right here your work email and clicking onto this sign up free option in order to sign up. So you can also use your Gmail right here and that will make everything easier. So since I already have an account, let me proceed to log in. You also need to have a Google account in order to access your Google Meet. So here is my Miro right there. This will load my actual dashboard. So in order to use your Miro with Google Meet, let's head over to a new tab first and let's head over to meet.google.com. Let's search in here for that and it will redirect you to the Google Meet. Into this page, just proceed to click on this new meeting and then join a meeting right there. Here is my meeting right there. So what we can do is we can just head over and then utilize or click onto the activity. You can click onto the three dots and in here you can see these options for background and effects and likes. Or you can also use this meeting tools option that we can see. You can use breakout rooms, pause, recording, and the likes. We have in here a lot of options like host controls as well as other options. Now do take note that on the premium part, you can have in here the add-ons. So click on the show more. And in here you can see Miro. So head over and click on this. After you have done that, this will open Miro into the actual Google Meet. So just wait for this to successfully load. Click on this install into the Google Workspace Marketplace and proceed to sign in into your account. Let's head over and then sign in right here and choose right here our account right there. Click on continue. Then scroll down and click on allow. After you have done that, this will integrate these two applications together so you can just use your Miro into the actual Google Marketplace. This will load our Miro and you can use it right here however we want it to be or however you want to edit it as well. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.